Once payment is confirmed, Pathpoint will process the bind request within 4 business hours. The account will move to a bound status, and paperwork will be available on the policy page. From here, I can download the invoice confirming payment and download the binding document. Pathpoint will then upload all final policy paperwork documents within 14 days. Note that for some states, such as New York, there is an additional review mandated by the state for stamping review. Further, within 14 days, this policy will move to issued and final policy document paperwork will be uploaded. To access any policies, I'll simply navigate to Policy Management to view the list of bound and issued policies with Pathpoint. Further, if I need to request any changes to policies, I can simply request an endorsement, policy cancellation, or loss runs from within Pathpoint. That's it. Thank you for working with Pathpoint.